Quick news flash, unless you've been living under a rock.
Good morning.
Electricity prices are going through the roof.
Households are tonight being warned to brace for fresh bill shock.
So guys, official figures haven't been released yet, but we are expecting a further 20% inflation this financial year. So my question to you guys is, how long are you going to continue to sponsor these bastards? Did you know that SnapSolar have now made it possible to have solar fully installed on your roof for less than a cup of coffee per day? With no upfront costs, no hidden fees, and no deposit required. What are you waiting for? We take away the confusion and the stress of navigating the solar market so that you can sit back and enjoy the full benefits of solar.
Our dedicated team goes the extra mile by conducting a site visit to assess your home's solar readiness, carefully tailoring a solution that aligns with your home and your specific energy needs. You think you can't afford it? We offer in-house affordable green loan solutions.
You'd be pleasantly surprised at just how affordable it is to go solar. A lot of the time, finance working out to be cheaper than your electricity bill. So click the link below and speak to the friendly Snap team today.